commissioner of ẹ káàbọ̀ sí gallery. Ilé ẹ̀ka farabalẹ̀ wàá wọlé ẹ̀jẹ̀ ká lọ sí baba náà. Wọ́n bá wà dúpọ̀ wà pẹ̀lú fún ọ. Ago.
Tunde Odunlade, can you please tell me something about this place?
The gallery is called Tunde Odunlade Culture and Arts, Arts and Culture Connection.
Okay.
And it opened on the 10th of December 2020.
Okay.
And we have over 80 artists that we handle. And we've had exhibition, thematic exhibition, topical exhibition, aesthetical exhibition, all kinds. And today we are doing a grand finale of Global Africa History Month, which began about 2 weeks ago, and today is the final day. And we've had a series of activities. Lecturer from Abuja, who just left this morning, came to lecture us yesterday about what is art and its prospect. Then we had a lecturer from Tuskegee University in Alabama that Òjògbón was part of that exercise. It was very, very well received. And in fact, it has, been blown beyond even what we expected it to be. And we are happy that you are here. Thank you very much.
You're welcome, sir. I'm from Tasmania University. College of Education.
Oh, wow.
My visit is accidental here today.
Okay.
But I'm very happy meeting you. My name is Apinda Samson, the HOD French Department.
Wow.
Thank you. College of Education.
Yeah, and you know what they say? There is no such thing as coincidence.
Okay.
It is God revealing himself in an anonymous way. So God has planned for everything. It won't happen if God didn't plan it. But we, in our limited, carnal self, we will say it's accidental. It's not. It's deliberate.
You welcome students to this place for
Yes,
discussion?
yes, we do.
I'll try and connect my students.
Please bring them. Bring them.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Ẹ ṣé, a dúpẹ́, sir.